Whoa. Hey, Izzy!
Yeah?
I thought I told you to clean up your room. Why is it still such a mess?
It's been such a pigsty. I don't even know where to begin.
Whoa.
Mom, how do I clean my room?
Welcome to Doing Life Deliberately. My name is Trisha and this is Isabelle, and on this channel we tackle all things home education, both formal homeschooling and teaching life skills. So if you enjoyed today's video and find some value in it, we invite you to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. So today we legitimately have a problem. This room is a pigsty and it's gotten to the point where it's so out of control. Izzy's feeling a little overwhelmed. So time for Mom to step in a little bit, and we invite you to do a little clean with me session in this bedroom. Now my goal is that not only will we get the floor visible again, but to also make it so that it's a little bit easier to maintain. We're gonna declutter a little bit, we're gonna throw out some things, we're gonna organize some things, and we're gonna do a little bit of a deep clean. We're gonna vacuum, we're gonna do laundry, we're gonna wash sheets. We're gonna make it nice and comfortable again, right?
Yes.
So come on over with us and let's clean together. Okay, so I'm gonna use this crate to put items that we need to find a home for. So I'm just gonna start throwing stuff in here that I know doesn't belong in here, but we don't quite have a room for it right now. All right, time to tackle under the bed. So we still need to tackle the closet. We have a space here behind the door that we also need to tackle. And then we can start really putting things away. Okay, now that we have vacuumed out this closet and cleared out this space, I can declutter this top shelf of Izzy's closet, and hopefully we can get some of these things that were out here on the floor taking up space and kind of cluttering up the room and shift them in here into a designated box or container, and they can neatly be placed in the closet. I'm gonna make it as easy for her to maintain this space as possible. Okay, so we're still working on the process of decluttering. We're gonna kind of tackle some of this area. So far, we've got 2 bags of trash, and we're working on a bag of donation items to declutter this space here a little bit, and it's pretty satisfying, right, Iz? Alright, so I've got Legos in here. I'm going to put those in the closet. One more thing off the floor and out of the way. actually going to grab a couple command hooks and put them up in the closet so that we can keep certain things up and off the floor. Alright, we have come a long ways. We have a pile of donation stuff. We have some laundry we need to go get rolling. We've got trash we need to throw out. And once we cleared that out of here, I think we're in pretty good shape to start vacuuming the bedroom. So we are close to being able to see the floor and have it be clean. Here we go. Izzy, we finally got it done. It took some elbow grease and a little bit of time, but we have transformed this room from a pigsty to a clean, tidy,
Beautiful room.
beautiful, sparkling, literally sparkling. What tips and tricks do you have for keeping a bedroom tidy? Please share in the comment section below. We would love to hear from you. And we hope that if you enjoyed today's video, you will give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us. Hit that subscribe button and the bell right next to it to be notified every time we release a new video. Thank you so much for your time. We look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Let us know what homeschool and life skill topics you want to hear more about in the description box below. If you or someone you know is considering homeschool, new to homeschool, or just needing a little extra support, let me put my 12 years of homeschooling experience to work for you. You can sign up for your free 15-minute consultation by clicking the link in the description box below. I look forward to hearing from you real soon.